Well, it's been a few days since I've been on site, and it's great to see the progress that the builders have made in this little renovation. And it's also a moment for me to sort of think back a little bit and reflect on how we might have built years ago to how we build today. And there's a couple of things that are different. Well, the introduction of LVLs. This is the Dukin J&L J-frame that they're using for the framing. And then I'm looking at the new lintel that's gone in, because remember there was a set of French doors there and there was a single window here. So that's come out, new lintel that's been spec'd by the designer has gone in. Interesting to note the use of these 6kN straps. That's all about tying our buildings together to make sure that if there is movement, like an earthquake, this is what locks it all together. See how the building paper wraps around, and then through here we're taping the corners. These are areas where moisture sometimes can be drawn into the building envelope. So we're learning, I think, in terms of building, going, what didn't work and what can we do to fix it? And all of these little elements that you might sort of ignore are all part of better building.